Today's concept is LCM and HCF. I assure you that if you watch the video till the end, you will be knowing everything related to LCM and HCF. LCM stands for least common multiple and HCF stands for highest common factor. Let us understand about the multiples first. When a particular number is multiplied with some integers, we get multiples of that number. Here you can see the first three multiples of 7 as well as 8. Here you can see the first 6 multiples of 5. Factors. Factors of a number are those numbers which divide it perfectly. Here 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8 exactly. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors are also called as divisors. Here you can see the factors of 6, 12 and 18. Let us now find the LCM and HCF of 18 and 24 using prime factorization. To find the LCM and HCF, firstly we need to get the prime factorization of both the numbers. Only prime numbers are used in prime factorization. Prime factorization of 18. 2 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. So 18 can be expressed as 2 into 3 square. Prime factorization of 24. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. 24 can be expressed as 2 cube into 3. Every composite number can be expressed as product of primes. Here both 18 and 24 are expressed as product of primes. To get HCF, we will be selecting smaller among these two and smaller among these two. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. To get LCM, we need to select bigger values. The bigger among these two is 2 cube and 3 square is bigger among these two. So LCM is equal to 2 cube into 3 square, which is nothing but 8 into 9. So LCM is 72. So LCM and HCF of 18 and 24 are 6 and 72 respectively. Verification of HCF. We got HCF as 6. Let us write the factors of 18 and 24. Now let us identify the common factors. 1 is common factor as well as 2, 3 and 6. The highest common factor is 6. So HCF is equal to 6. 6 is the highest common factor. Verification of LCM. We got LCM as 72. Now let us write the multiples of 18 and 24. Identify the common multiples. 72 is a common multiple as well as 144 is common multiple. The least common multiple is 72. So LCM is equal to 72. hence verified. You can notice here 72 is the least common multiple. Please note that HCF is factor of both the given numbers, whereas LCM is multiple of both the given numbers. That is the reason why LCM is always greater than or equal to HCF. If the given numbers are primes or co-primes, HCF is always equal to 1 and LCM is equal to product of the given numbers. The relationship between LCM, HCF and given numbers is A into B is equal to L into H. To have a better understanding of prime factorization method, let us do another problem involving bigger numbers. To get the LCM and HCF of these two numbers, the first thing we need to do is prime factorization. Resolving 180 into its prime factors. Whenever you have an even number in the units place, then start the prime factorization with the only even prime, that is 2. So 2 90s are, again 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and lastly 5 1s are. So 180 can be expressed as 2 square into 3 square into 5. Similarly, 168 can be expressed as 2 cube into 3 into 7. To get HCF, we should select smaller values among the common factors. Please note that since 5 and 7 are not common factors, we should not consider them. So HCF is equal to 2 square into 3, which is equal to 4 3s are 12. To get LCM, we have to select bigger values among the common factors. 2 cube is bigger among these two and 3 square is bigger among these two. Along with 2 cube and 3 square, we should also take uncommon factors like 5 and 7 in case of LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7 is equal to 2520.